Welcome back to the next module, guys. And in this module, we're going to be cranking up the heat a little bit. We're going to start to create a little game here that's going to be a little bit more complicated than the application that we worked on last. So this is kind of just going to be the next progression of things. I made an application like this early on in my programming career, and it just really stuck with me as something pretty cool. It kind of helps get you familiar a little bit more with just general programming and Swift and iOS. I didn't actually do it on iOS for whenever I did it initially, but I think it's a good idea. It's a good game to do on iOS, and it's fun. It's something that we can actually enjoy making. So basically the idea behind the game is that we're going to be given an RGB value up here. This is a really common thing in every form of programming, really. If we want a color value, we need a red value or an R value, a green value, and a blue value. So basically the way this game works is the game is going to give us an RGB value, and it's going to give us 4 random colors, one of which is correct. We're going to try to guess the right one, and it'll tell us down here whether or not we're correct or incorrect. And then we can start a new game every time afterwards. So in this case, I'm going to guess that this color is this one right here, and you can see that it says correct. And then we can start a new game. And alternatively, if I were to click the wrong color, like say this one, it's going to say incorrect down here, and I could keep trying until I do get it correct. And see now here it says correct, and then we can just keep playing the game over and over and over again. So it's just a silly but fun game. It gets you familiar with RGB values and working with colors, while at the same time having a little bit of fun. So in the next video, we'll get started.